The roof. So the kind of houses we buy, on average, a new roof costs around £4,000. On top of that, then you've got scaffolding and other charges. So if you miss that you've got major issues with the roof, it is a massive expense that you really don't need in your life. So what can you do? You need to learn what you need to look out for. So what do we need to look out for?
Well, 5 good things are, number 1, the gutter in and downtipes. Yeah, are they leaking? Are they broken? Are they old? Are they cracked? Do they need replacing? Look at all of the gutters around the roof. Number 2, fascias and soffits, barge boards. Are they rotten? Are they timber? Do they need replacing? Number 3, the slates or tiles. Which type are on the roof? Are they old? Believe it or not, old tiles, they can become porous and start leaking. Number 4, ridge tiles. Are the ridge tiles, fitted properly? Are they loose? And then number 5, slates. Are there proper slates on the roof, or is it asbestos? The other good thing that you should always do is
stick your head in the loft.
Yes.
I know people are like, oh, I'm not going to do that when I view a house. See what's going on, guys. You might be able to see leaks. You might be able to see some of the issues there as well. This is your money that we're talking about. You need to have an idea of what's needed to fix things so that you can make sure you budget for these things accordingly. So don't be shy to ask about sticking your head up there to see what's going on. I promise you, if you spot anything that you hadn't previously, you will be thanking yourself.
Yep, so get on the shoulders of the estate agent, go up into the loft, have a good look.
So come and join us tomorrow, guys, where we are going to be looking at damp. See you then.
Bye for now.